If this be the end of the world, everything burning around you, would you still be lying on your bed waiting for your food from McDonald's while watching a fucking TV show? Would you still be lying around, eating chips, drinking soda while playing stupid video games? No, you would be crying, running to people for help, because you have ruined yourself and you are not capable to fight. You have become shit. But you know what? You weren't born this way. You were born without any addictions and distractions, but you wasted yourself. You wasted your adulthood in things that taught you nothing, that made you nothing but a loser who thinks he has accomplished something by leveling up in stupid Minecraft. You have achieved nothing, and this is not acceptable from a man. Because a man isn't supposed to look for cheap pleasures. A man isn't born to rest. He is born to suffer. He is born to get hurt, to feel the pain and find the peace and joy in that pain. Well, if you have clicked on this video, the chances are that you are tired of your old, devastating lifestyle and want to improve yourself and become a beast with a mindset like a warrior. You want to kill the old you and want to carve out a man who is capable, trustworthy, and strong. To enter your sage mode, I want you to disappear for 3 months. Cut off your ties with everyone for 3 months and only let your family and close friends close to you. Cut off everyone who brings you down. And to be clear, ghost mode is about disappearing from all the distractions and not about ghosting your family and close friends. You will be able to kill all the distractions that are going to make you hate yourself one day, and you must start with social media. Nothing is as bad as this stupid social media is for your growth. You get nothing out of it, except for some stupid attention and validation, and in return it takes everything from you. It is killing the soul in you. The power that could have made you stronger is getting consumed by these apps, and these media giants don't give a shit about you. Just for once, stop scrolling and reflect the thought that you are going to die one day and you have a finite time on this earth. And if you still want to scroll mindlessly, go on. Your time is in your hands now. You can just mindlessly keep moving in life like scrolling your Instagram down, or you can actually live it while staying in the real world. Now, except for few people who run their businesses through these mediums, everyone else is just wasting their time scrolling endlessly for some short dopamine hits. Ask yourself, when was the last time you went out without your headphones on? When was the last time you picked some leaves or flowers while giving them all of your attention and focus? When was the last time you had a wholehearted conversation with your parents? This facade of bringing people close through technology is separating us even when we are in the same room. Just delete all these apps for 3 months, unless you are using some of them for business purposes. Every time that you start scrolling mindlessly, remember that this small pleasure is going to cost you big. Apart from social media, stop going to parties, to clubs, to bars. Just for 3 months, go to your fucking cave. Be the Batman, even if you are not Bruce Wayne. Stay in your cave for 3 months. Read, meditate, work out, go out for a walk in nature and make friends with your inner demons. Slap them hard every time they ask for an ice cream or a burger, and make them eat with you the greens and proteins. This will be a tough battle, but it is worth fighting. You can do it, and you will see that after 3 months, these inner demons who were making you look for distractions a while ago will now stand with you. They will make you stronger and stronger, and will make you enter your sage mode where you will be able to control all the hunger for distractions and pleasures. Let's not procrastinate and start your ghost mode from tomorrow on. So for today, all you are going to do is sleep early. That's it. And you will wake up with the sun tomorrow. Wake up and open the curtains. The first light will soothe your eyes and will start your brain with a happy and energetic mood. Place your alarm device out of your bed reach so that you have to get up to stop it. This will help you in waking up. Then go hydrate yourself, put on your shoes, and go for a little walk in the nature. Don't carry your mobile along with you. Nobody is going to text you that early in the morning. They are all stuck on their bed while you are out there feeding your brain all the good food it needs. Just walk in the first light of the sun and absorb all the energy and the vitamin that sun can give you. Get in touch with the nature. Look all around you. Touch the leaves, the sand. Hear those soothing sounds of early morning. Then come back, and if you are a morning gym guy, go to gym, and if not, read a book. Read at least 15 pages or complete a chapter, then meditate for as much time as you can. Then go for your work or job or whatever you do to sustain yourself and your close ones. There are few things that are not to be avoided in these 3 months. These are getting in the sunlight as the first thing in the morning, reading, any kind of physical activity, working daily on your craft, meditating and reflecting on the way you see life, death, and the finite time that we have on this earth. Just do this for 3 months, and you will accomplish things that you couldn't have in 3 years. Just these simple tasks with focus and sheer determination, and your comeback as a beast will make others go crazy.